This is the official ACT.org question of the day for Thanksgiving 2015, and I'm going to show you how to answer it. The graph of y equals 7 over x minus 7 is shown below. Among the following, which is the best representation of y equals 7 over the absolute value of x minus 7? Now, the first thing you want to do with math questions is look at the answers. Kind of see what the answers look like to give you an idea of what you're going to be trying to do. You'll notice all the answers still have this vertical asymptote of x equals 7. And that's because you still have x minus 7 down here on the bottom. You can't divide by 0, so x cannot equal 7. So that's why you still have that vertical asymptote, excuse me. Now the main difference between this and the original equation is obviously this absolute value. But what does that absolute value do? The absolute value is just a measure of how far something is away from 0. Or basically, if you get a negative number inside the absolute value, you just make it positive. So if you're always going to have a positive number down here, and you have a positive 7 up here, you are never going to get a negative number for this graph. So then any graph that has any negative values for y is not going to be a possible answer. Meaning that any graph that has anything below the x-axis is not a possibility for this one. This one looks just like the original. It has this down here below the x-axis. So that's not one. Again, this one's just like the original but flipped. But again, it has something down here below the x-axis. Those are negative y values. That's not possible. Same thing here. Below the x-axis. Not possible. Well, that one looks like it might be alright. Check this one. Yep. Something below the x-axis. So that one's not possible. So you're just left with this. If you have any questions about this one, I'd be more than happy to answer them. Just leave those questions in the comments, or you can email me directly at andrew@avmathcoach.com. I do read everything. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.